Hello guys. I have missed the video recording, so I'm doing recording it once again. So what we have explained, uh, association concept. Okay. See, I have already created one CDS view. The CDS view name is ZAOH2 CDS1, and here I'm using something fields, right? And I'm going to the one more view here. So CDS4. Here I'm writing ZAOH2 CDS1. Instead of the table name, I'm writing the view name, CDS view name here, and I'm selecting something fields. Okay, and we see come to the base view here. VBL AUDT Kunar is there. Okay, and some system fields also are there. And here I'm giving something alias names. Coming to this CDS view, here I'm maintaining something S1 number, document date, customer number, something like that. Okay, here I will try to provide something VBELN. VBEL I'm just maintaining, and it is showing something error here. See, the column name VBELN is unknown. Means here I'm using something VBELN, that is fine, okay, but I'm giving something alias name. So whenever we are using this CDS view in any another program, in any another CDS view, then we should give only the alias name. It will not accept the real name. Okay, real field name is the VBELN, right? So this VBELN we should not use in any another, CDS view or any other program. We should use only alias names. So that is why it is showing something error here. So to avoid that one, we should remove this one. S1 number we have to give here. And click on activate and execute it. Okay, it is displaying the data as it is. Okay, now fine. This concept is okay. Now I will come to this associations. Okay, the concept name is association here, and I will take something data from VBAK, inner join, VBAP. Okay, and I will give something alias names for these things as underscore I H. Okay, alias name. This is the header information VBAK. That is why alias name I'm giving underscore H. And for VBAP, this is the item information. So I'm giving the alias name as I. Okay, and here underscore I'm giving. So SAP is providing like this. I mean, this is not fixed thing. You can give something name. Okay, something SY header or SY item like that. I can like that also we can take here. But we are working on associations at that time, so we need to give that underscore. By seeing of that name, we can easily understand, okay, we are working on association like that. Okay, for best practice purpose, we will use the underscore H underscore I am maintaining here, and I'm giving something on condition on H dot VBELN is equal to underscore I dot VBELN. And coming to the fields, VBELN and AUDAT and Kunar, something fields I'm taking here, and activate it. So it is showing something like error. So come here, and the name VBELN is not unique, means the VBL is available in both tables, VBAK as well as VBAP. So we need to mention the from which table we are considering this VBELN. Otherwise, system is confusing here. We need to mention that table name. Fine, I will provide something table name VBAK dot VBELN. Now let me check something error. Okay, fine. And one more thing, we are using something alias names here. So instead of writing the table name directly, we can use alias name here /VBELN. Now the error is not there. Activate it. It's activated. Now execute it. So as usually it will execute. Click on F8 button. So something data is coming fine. Now I will check how the view is creating in the backend in the SQL statement. So right click on the open place and click on show SQL create statement here, and we can see something. So select query on top of VBAK inner join VBAP. Okay, so here I am not fetching the data from VBAP. Just I have mentioned in the just declare like VBAK energy and VBAP, but I am not taking the fields from VBAP. Then also it is energy is applying here. Okay, we need to consider this one. Fine. So in place of this inner joins concept, SAP is providing one concept, that is association. Association. Okay, and fine, now activate it. It's activated. Click on execute button. So something data is coming. Same data. How previously it was coming. Same data is coming here also. And here I will remove H. Okay, I will remove H. See, I am removing the table name or alias name. Then also it is not showing in error. Okay, activate it. It's activated. Right. Fine. I will go to the item information. Matner. Okay, so Matner is from VBAP table, but it is showing something error. So check here what is the error. The column name Matner is not is unknown, right? So what I will do, I will give something alias name underscore I dot Matner. Now there is no error. Okay, how it is working? So in associations concept, so the left hand side table is there VBAK. So if you want to pick the data from left hand side table, then not required to mention any table name dot field name like that. Directly you can give the field names. Okay, even the common columns are there. I mean VBAK field, VBELN field is available in VBAK as well as VBAP. In both tables it is available. But system automatically will consider like the VBELN field is taking from VBAK. Left hand side table. Okay, from left hand side table it will automatically will pick that one. But for right hand side table data, we need to mention the table name dot field name. For non-unique fields also, for non-common fields also, we need to mention the table name dot field name. So that's why I'm giving here something alias name underscore I dot mat now. If you don't mention this one, matter is available in VBAP, only one table, then also it will show something error. Okay, so to avoid that one, we have to mention the alias name or the table name dot field name like that. Fine, now activate it, execute it. Fine, same data is coming. Fine. Now I will check the SQL statement. Right click on the open place and click on show SQL create statement. And now we can see. So VBAK left outer menu to one means left outer join it is applying here. And here what I'm doing, association I'm using. But in the backend, the SQL, in the database server, the view is creating. At that time, it is applying something left outer join. Okay, in the front end, in the native in the open SQL, we are using association, but in the back end, the database layer, it is applying something left outer join. Okay, means this association by default will apply left outer join. This is the in interview you may get the question, what is the which join will apply this association by default? It will apply left outer join by default. Fine. And what I'm doing, this is called here ad hoc association. Okay, ad hoc association means so something. We are picking the data from both tables, so this is called here ad hoc association. Okay. the type is association. I mean, two types of associations are there: ad hoc association, exposed association, like that. So this is the ad hoc association. Fine. Let me do one thing. Click on close. I mean, now activate it. Here, what I am doing, I am picking the data from header information, and I am mentioning like underscore I. That's it. Okay, underscore I. Activate it. Execute it. It's executed. Means only header data is coming, the item data is not coming, because I am not mentioning any item data here. Just I have mentioned underscore I. That's it. Right. Now check the SQL statement, how it is saving in the database layer. It is showing the data like this. Okay. I mean it is creating the view like this. Create view name, and from VBAK only it is taking, but it is not considering the VBAP. It is not applying any joins here, because here I am not selecting any fields from item information. Just I have mentioned I. That's it. Okay, I have mentioned. So what is the use of this I here? Okay, this concept is called here exposed association. Exposed association. So now activate it and execute it here. The requirement is I am displaying something header information, and the sales document number 123 is coming. I want to get to know 123 sales document number item information. I want to get to know for only 123 sales document number. I don't want all the item informations. Okay, this is the requirement, and I'm executing the CDSP here. And see something. I'm taking something sales document number 5. Okay, right click on it and click on follow association. Now I underscore BBAP is coming. So this is 0 to 1 is something is coming. This is the cardinality. We will explain this cardinality bit later. Now double click here. See, it is displaying all the data here. It is displaying all the item information from BBAP table, but I don't want to display all the things. Now what we have to do, we have to apply some key information. Okay, the key field is VBELN is here. VBELN. Activate it and execute it. So right click on document number 5 and follow association, and select this association here, and we can see something data item information. 3 records are coming. 3 items are coming for the sales document number 5. Okay, and I will come here, and if you want to I mean I'm checking for document number 11. Right click on follow association and select this association, and now we can see something 2 records, sorry 3 records. Document number 11 and the item numbers 3 items are coming here. Okay, this is improper data. I mean this is the test, I mean demo server, so they have given some improper data. Fine, here 3 records are coming for the sales document number 11. Okay, so what is happening here? So by using this associations concept, okay, and initially it is not applying any joins concept. So we already saw this one in the background, how it is coming. Here we can see something. It is not applying any joins here. Okay, so after displaying the data, I'm right clicking on some particular record and I'm displaying the item information. At that time, the join will apply. But initially, it is not applying any join. So the performance will be increased here. Okay, so initially I'm displaying some header information. At that time, it is not applying any joins concept here. And after that one, it is going to the item information. At that time only, the join concept will work here. Okay, so what is the, I mean, so something record is there. Okay, something record is there. So at that time, I mean, if we apply join, then what will happen? So it has to check the record. Okay, so it will check the sales document number 123, and it will go to the item information table, and it will check how many records are available. It will pick all the data from item information table. Okay, by using associations, it is not coming like that. But initially, it is not applying any join. Means it is not going to the second table, item table. It is not going. Just it is picking from the header data. Okay, so going to the item table, checking the data, picking the data, and mapping the data. These all things are not going. So the time is not wasting here. Okay, the performance is a bit better compared to joins, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, like that. Okay, that's why SAP is proposing these associations instead of the joins. And one more thing, some enhancements concepts will come in these CDS views. So at that time, if you use some inner join, right outer join, left outer join, then enhancements concepts will not work. Okay, if we use associations, then only it will work. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now, by default, it is applying something left outer join. Now, I want to apply some inner join. Okay, instead of left outer join. So we already saw this one. So one more time. So right click on open place and click on show 1 minute. Then okay, I got Matner, activate it. Now we can see here left outer join. By default, left outer join is applying for this association. Right now, what I will do, I want to apply something inner join. So here I will come like and I will apply something inner. Now activate it. It's activated. Now right click on the open place and click on show SQL create statement, and we can see something inner join is applying here. Previously it was showing like left outer join, but now it is changed to inner join because I'm applying here inner. Okay, here I am applying something inner, so it is coming like inner join. Okay, fine. This is the way to create the associations. Okay, and if we want to use this also, I mean this CDS view in another CDS view, then how it will come, right? So I will create one more CDS view here. Check AOH2 underscore CDS 7. Okay, this is for testing. And click on next button. Next, finish. And SQL name AOH2 SQL 7. And I don't want to use any annotations here. Remove it, and the source name is the CDS view name I am taking, and AOH2 underscore CDS 6. Sorry, 5 CDS 5. So come here, CDS 5 I am maintaining, and now click on Control plus Space button. It is showing all the data. Insert all the records here. Then it is coming like this. Okay, VBL, AUDAT, Kunar, and Matnar, like that. Right now, what I will do here, I will not maintain any Matnar. Okay, I'm not maintaining Matnar, and click on activate button. It is activated. It's activated. Now I will come here. Okay, now close it. Control plus space button. Insert all elements. So it is coming like this. Okay. VBELN, AUDT, Kunar, and the association. The association underscore I is coming, right? So that one is coming, and click on activate and execute it here. F8 button. So the data is coming like this. And right clicking on this one and click on follow association and click on this one, association name. Something data is coming here, right? So if you want to use something data from this I can write like mad now. Right click on it, execute it here. So data is coming here. So what is happening in the interview? We may get the question like, what is the use of associations? We are already using some giants concept, inner, outer, left, outer, like that. And what is the advantage of this associations concept here? Okay, this is on fetching the data on demand. Okay, association is fetching the data on demand on the fly. Means we are fetching something header information. Okay, and after that one, if we are right clicking on the something particular record and click on the that association, at that time the particular information only is coming. Okay, on the demand. Okay, so sales document number 123, I need to display the item information for that particular 123 sales document number. That is the demand here. So the data is coming on demand only. So at that time only the join concept is applying, and initially it is not applying any joins. Okay, so that is the advantage here. Okay, that is the advantage. Initially it is not applying any join. The performance is increasing here for particularly one record. It is going to the next second table. It is picking the data, and at that time only it is applying the joins concept here. Okay, not every time it is applying the joins. So that is the advantage. Okay, fine. And now this I want to use this CDS view in SE38 program. How can we use that one? I already created one program here, but I have not recorded that class. That is why. So see here, I'm writing something select query. Select VBEL and UDAT and slash I'm giving. So you will get to know this one. I mean, here I can write something. Select start. Okay. So at that time, it will pick all the data from this view. If you want to pick some particular records, then we have to mention the fields like. So in this way. Okay. And how can we use the uh, item information fields? Okay. So these all things you will get in the next video. Okay. I already recorded that video, but this video I have missed to record. So that's why I'm explaining it once again. So you can check the video. I mean, you can check the next video for further concepts. Okay.